And that was, again, eye-opening. But if you are in a situation to where like you're holding on to something and you're like grinding it out, it feels a little bit hard. One thing that a crypto guy named Jeff this weekend, I don't know who it was, and one of my mentors told me, is this vehicle that you're operating in going to get you to your goals when you want to get there? And how easy will it be? Right? So if I'm in a Honda Civic and my business is a Honda Civic, is it going to help me reach 100 miles an hour in 6 seconds? No. But if the next vehicle I chose to be in is a Tesla and it gets me from 0 to 60 in like, what is it, like 2 seconds? That's a completely different game. And I'm in a vehicle that serves me. So with whatever you're doing, I think real estate still is one of the best vehicles that you can operate in to help you get to where you want to in the amount of time that you want to get there, right? So if you have a certain cash flow number you want to be at, what vehicle will get you there? If you're in business and it's not that business and you see the scalability of it, you see those other things, okay, man, it probably doesn't make sense. What can we operate in that will help us get there? It feels less heavy and then we get there significantly faster, right? Like, is it actually scalable?